Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KODK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Well, unless you live under a rock or in a cave or something like that, I'm sure you're well aware that KODK, a lot of people are watching it, a lot of people are trading it, just gigantic volume here. And I mean, volume from Tuesday was already huge, but volume today was just that much larger, and the share price was that much more expensive. So from strictly a dollar volume perspective, just so much volume in this one. But moral of the story, a lot of eyeballs going to be continuing to watch this going forward, myself included. Unfortunately, this thing got halted about 4 million times today. So there were some times where it just really became impossible to trade, and it was just a total gamble because it was literally being halted second after second. But what I want to do here now is just kind of map out a couple of key levels that have, made themselves known now from the technical point of view. And you can kind of just take or leave, these levels. But the level, and I should note that this is not supposed to be some sort of like great discovery on my part, but I assure you a lot of people have taken notice of this area right here around, let's call it $46.50. You can see that there's quite a bit of a track record right there, the open of that candle, and then pretty much a couple other areas where the price tried to get above there and could just never quite do it. So again, a guarantee of anything, no, those don't exist. But my point here is that it's a valid thought to have that if the price does work its way back up to 46.50 and then can get a break of it, that could very well create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. Again, guarantee, no. A rational thought to have, absolutely. So that's definitely going to be the main level that I think a lot of breakout players will be watching. And then, of course, after that, it's as far as levels of resistance, it's just simply where the party stopped today. And that was right up there at basically the $60 mark. But as of right now, $60 is kind of irrelevant. But yeah, you never know. If the price can get a good solid break of 46.50, who knows what this one might have in store after seeing just how it moved today. And then on the flip side of things, as far as areas of support are concerned, the level that a lot of people are going to be watching, myself included, right down there around the $27 mark. If 27 cannot quite hold up, I'm not saying it's game over, but in my opinion, at least, I don't think it would be shocking at all to see the price go down to at least $20, if not even lower than that. So these are going to be the main technical levels that I'm watching going forward, but let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.